Hey Cupcakes, welcome back to my channel, and today in my final episode of my lace frontal wig series, I will be showing y'all how I install and style my lace frontal wig. So let's get started, okay? So as you can see, I already have my wig cap on my head. I was trying to figure out like which one I want to rock, but I was like, let me do this, there's not much going on with it. So now I'm going to use this Gots to Be Glue, the styling spiking gel, and I'm going to put this on the cap. I wanted this cap as flat as possible, and no, I'm not doing the invisible, whatever that method is, where you cut off your thing. No, I don't do that. I do not leave my wig on for days or overnight. If I'm not out overnight, I'm drinking or partying. If I'm home, this wig coming off. Obviously, I need my natural hair to breathe. You don't need for that. That's why I stopped doing sewing. Gonna try some of this freeze spray. This is my first time using the freeze spray. I usually use the Gorilla Snort and the Gots to Be Glue, the black. I see everybody using this, so let me try it out. I hope this don't leave no residue, like a heat residue. I don't be for that shit. No. Oh, it's cold. Nobody never told me it's down so cold. It's cold. Yeah. I'm gonna use my scarf to tie this down. So it can be flat. So by now, everyone should have already made their wig. So I hope y'all already made your wig on the process of making your wig. I'm gonna pop this on my head. Let's put this up. This wig is super snug. Brush this down. Now I'm going to use these hair clips to clip it back. I don't need this hair in my way when I cut this wig. This hair feels like some good ass hair, I must say. I don't know where she purchased this hair from. This is weird. I'm going to do some snip. Really? At my stage in this wig game, I don't have a preference. Where I snip from this end, that end, don't matter. I just snip. What I am doing, I'll be leaving just a teeny bit of lace. Just a teeny bit of lace. If you leave hardly any lace, and then after maybe a few months to a year, your lace wear and tear, you don't even have no lace, do you have glue it down or whatever? And you gotta put some more here. But for beginners, put it on automatic your head. If you got it on your head, and start from here and then go around. But as for me, I'm going this way. Makes the wig look more realistic. What you can do if you want to, you just use, if you don't want to put no foundation and powder on your lace, you can just leave it like that. You can bleach your knots and then it look orangey as shit, and but once you apply some like foundation or some powder on the lace, scalp honey, scalp. So now I'm going to add some Gots to Be Glue with that freeze spray and mix some shit together. So we can apply this wig on this head, okay? So cupcakes, this is the finished product. Getting closer so you can see all of the goodness. So now I am about to flat iron this. So cupcakes, this is my final look of me installing and styling my frontal, and as you can see it's totally straight. So yes, and then the frontal part is super flat. I use the Morphe Professional Styling Gel Wax, and this is what I use to lay down lay down the top part, and then lay down all the flyaways just a little bit to keep it like extra flat. So this is how it looks. So I'm going to get ready and head out the door. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and see y'all again until the next video.